Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper star. So let's get started. So for this activity, we need a square sheet of paper and a pair of scissors. So let's get started. So the first step is that we have to fold the paper in half. Step number 2 is that we have to fold the paper in half again on this side. Now we have to unfold it back, and we have to take the top part and we have to fold it until the bottom, and then we have to unfold it back. Then we have to take the bottom part and fold it to the top. So I'm taking the top part and I'm unfolding it, and now I'm taking the bottom part and I'm folding it to the top, and after I'm done with it, I'm unfolding it. And the next step is that we have to take this part, the bottom part here, and we have to fold it until the middle part here. So we'll have a paper like this. Then the next step is that we should take this paper here and we have to fold it until here. So I'm done with this step. Now I'm taking this paper and I'm folding it until here. So I've completed this step, and the next step is that we have to fold the paper backwards like this. So after we are done with it, we have to turn the paper to this side. Then we have to cut it from here to here. We have to cut it so in a way that a triangle will be formed. So I'm cutting it. So I'm done cutting, and now we'll have a triangle, and we have to open it. We will have a star. Then we have to fold the corners so that the star will be like a 3D form. So I'm folding it again. So be careful while folding it, because if you fold it wrongly, the star will go in vain and it will ruin the whole process we did. So I'm folding it. So don't be in a hurry, do it slowly, because if you do it fastly, then it will get ruined. So now I'm completed and our paper star is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!